Our pop-up catch basin hybrid is my favorite pop-up emitter. You snap this on the end of your discharge line and it has an open bottom design. After you move all the bulk water through this pop-up emitter, what's left in the line can now leach away. Our pop-up emitter will allow you to get your hand inside it. It's designed that way because it was designed by contractors. After 35 years not being able to service anything pop-up related, we built their own for this very reason. You just go ahead, push that down into the hub, and you're all set. The turf restrictor prevents the grass from growing over the discharge part. You want this piece to hinge and move freely during torrential rains. The grass can grow up onto this plate and not harm the pop-up emitter. Our pop-up emitter to corrugated pipe connector is made out of 100% HDPE. No recycled materials, no blown-in filler, no blown-in glass. This will move as the clay shrinks during drought and expands during the wet season. The corrugated pipe's going to move up and down. The flexible coupler will allow movement without any cracking, without any splitting. This is an indestructible coupler. This coupler will last forever. It's a slip fit, and you can put it on with tile tape or silicone.